Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log into your Iifl Finance Gold Loan account. Whether you're a returning customer or new to Iifl Finance's online services, this video will guide you through the process step by step. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to the Iifl Finance's login page. To do so, search for Iifl Finance Gold Loan Login in the search bar at the top and click on this link. Once you're in the website, you'll see the login page here, and you can enter your mobile number or email address along with the password, or you can simply request for OTP code to log into your account. Once you enter all of your details, simply click on the login button here. If you cannot remember your password, no worries. The login page has options to recover them. You can simply click on to forgot password option and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're a new user and haven't created an online account yet, you can sign up for one directly from this login page. You'll just need to choose the register option beside the login option and follow the on-screen instructions. And finally, thanks for joining me in this quick video on how to access your Iifl Finance Gold Loan account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.